Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today, we're diving into one of the most stylish and performance-oriented entry-level naked bikes in the market, the 2025. Yamaha MT-125 TDT BS6. This bike is making waves in the 125cc segment, and Yamaha has loaded it with advanced tech, sharp aesthetics, and impressive ride dynamics. Whether you're a new rider or looking for a daily commuter that doesn't compromise on looks or performance, the MT-125 is a serious contender. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Yamaha MT-125 TD follows the aggressive styling of its MT series siblings, especially the MT-15 and MT-03. It features sharp body lines, an aggressive LED headlight cluster with a signature projector setup, and a muscular fuel tank that gives it a big bike feel. Yamaha has added a new paint scheme and body graphics in this year's model that give it an even more premium and sporty look. The compact tail section, split seat setup, and metallic finish exhaust also contribute to its bold Streetfighter image, under the hood. The MT-125 is powered by a 124.7cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that meets the latest BS6 Phase 2 emission norms. This engine is derived from Yamaha's R125 platform and is equipped with Variable Valve Actuation (VVA) technology. It produces around 15 HP at 10,000 RPM and 11.5 Nm of torque at 8,000 RPM, which is quite impressive for a 125cc bike. The power delivery is smooth, and thanks to the VVA system, the engine feels alive in both city traffic and open roads. The 6-speed gearbox is slick and paired with a slipper clutch that adds to the overall refinement. One of the standout features of this bike is how refined and responsive the engine feels even when you're pushing it towards the red line. It's great for city commuting, quick overtakes, and weekend fun. Now let's talk about handling and ride. Comfort. The 2025 MT-125 comes with premium components like 41mm USD front forks from KYB and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. The bike feels planted and stable in corners while still being nimble enough for quick direction changes. It's built on a Delta box frame, which adds to its excellent handling characteristics. Braking duties are handled by a 292mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc. Both equipped with dual-channel ABS, the braking performance is sharp and confidence-inspiring. The wide 140mm rear tire and 17-inch alloy wheels ensure solid grip and control on all types of roads. The bike also features a fully digital LCD instrument cluster that displays speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, trip meter, and more. Yamaha has even included Bluetooth connectivity via the WayConnect app, which allows smartphone pairing for call and message alerts, battery status, and ride history, a welcome addition in the 125cc segment. In terms of dimensions, the MT-125 has a seat height of 810mm, which should be comfortable for most riders. The curb weight is around 140 kilograms, making it light and easy to maneuver in urban traffic. The 10-liter fuel tank offers decent range, and fuel efficiency is expected to be around 40 to 45 kilometers per L, depending on riding style and conditions. Now coming to the price, the 2025 Yamaha MT-125 TDT BS6 is expected to launch in Pakistan at around 700,000 Pakistani rupees to 750,000, while in India it could be priced near 1.60 lakh ex-showroom. This may seem a bit on the higher side for a 125cc bike, but given the performance, technology, and premium parts on offer, it's a justified price for riders who want more than just a basic commuter. To sum it up, the 2025 MT-125 is a feature-packed, stylish, and performance-oriented motorcycle that brings big bike feel to the 125cc segment. It's perfect for enthusiasts who want a balance of efficiency, aggressive styling, and Yamaha's signature reliability. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, share it with your fellow bikers. And most importantly, subscribe to Bike Scout for more bike reviews, comparisons, and two-wheeler updates. Ride safe and see you in the next video.